Today's video, I will be guiding you through on how to print in Adobe Acrobat. So let's say this is a document you want to print. In order to print, you have to go to the top section. It's usually the print icon you can see over here, or you can also go with this. It's usually in the side of this profile. So tap into this option that says print. Tab, and once you click into that, you'll be given this prompt. So this interface will appear, and now you have to go through all the settings, like how many copies you want, whether you want 1 copies or 2, 3, whatever you want. Let's say I want 4 copies. You can also pages to print, like, do you want all pages to print or just the current one? So I just want this page to print. You can also adjust the size, whether you want it fit or shrink oversized page or actual size. You can also custom scale this and just custom it over here. Just papers with a PDF page size. I think I want to do this. Yeah, let's click onto this. And orientation, whether you want a portrait or landscape. I think I want to do it portrait. And document more comments and forms, maybe only documents, and summarize comment. Okay. So once you're satisfied with all the settings, all you have to do is go in this option that says print and click into that, and you'll be able to print the document or the page. This is basically how you print in Adobe Acrobat. I hope this video was useful. If so, please consider subscribing and liking our videos. Thank you for watching.